Hello everyone. The Dischem letter has caused a stir on social media after its letter that was prioritizing to employ more black people leaked. White people are not really happy at all. The Democratic Alliance said that Dischem's implementation of a policy limiting the appointment of white staff mirrored the changes made to employment equity legislation. In a leaked letter, Dischem's CEO Ivan Satsman has been criticized for his stance, with the DA warning that the Employment Equity Amendment Bill, which is about to be enacted, will bring further controversy. The DA said that the amended bill, which they had opposed in Parliament, was not aligned with the spirit of the Employment Equity Act. The bill empowers the Labour Minister to set numerical employment equity targets for any economic sector. The party said that the different targets for occupational levels, subsectors, and regions will jeopardize job fairness, which the Employment Act sought to protect. Michael Cardo from the DA said it is damaging and destructive exercise in social engineering. It's a job-destroying jackhammer, and it will worsen South Africa's economic woes. The DA said that Dischem was willing to do what other businesses might be forced to do under the amended bill. Herman Mashaba, who is the leader of the Action SA, also tweeted about the leaked letter and shared his thoughts. He said, "As far as I am concerned, that letter by the CEO of Dischem was racial and divisive. Racial quotas contributed to our current economic woes. Hire South Africans on merit and focus on investment in training where you experience weaknesses." He definitely angered many with his tweet. One tweet said, "Herman, we want to vote for you, but with that attitude, it might be difficult. Do you wanna please your white Action SA members at our expense? Why must workforces in different companies not reflect our demographics?" Another one said, "Mashaba is not black like you." Andile Mxithama also shared his thoughts. He tweeted, "So the DA and the Deputy DA, otherwise known as Action SA, are opposed to progressive stance of Dischem to correct the gender and race profile of the company. Blacks need to know who is for their interest and who is against black progress. What's your take on this one, people? Do you think Dischem was wrong or right for amending their policy based on the employment equity?" Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.